Qué buena.
Hola. Oh, that's his favorite. Or no.
Ese de bebé.
Oh. We made it to El Salvador and I am so happy to be here. It was baby's first time on a plane. He did so well. He slept. He did wake up more than normal because it was an unusual way of sleeping. I don't know how much my husband slept, but I slept for like an hour and 50 minutes. We're making sopa de gallina India, so I'm learning how to do that. I only put on a little bit. I have Touche Éclat YSL concealer in 1.5 and the vinyl lip from Maybelline in Cheeky, I believe. So that's about it. And some bug lotion. We're just enjoying the time with our family and then we'll get more ready hopefully tomorrow.
¿Le pusiste algo ahí?
Buen provecho.
Chucho.
So we're gonna head out with the whole family on an adventure and we just enjoyed breakfast as well, as you may have seen. So now it's time to get going. We did end up seeing a few different views, including a really cool high point where you can see the whole aerial view. And then we ended up going to a lagoon that was a crater of a volcano. There's so many volcanoes here. So that was really, really cool. And then we had a long drive there and a long drive back. So it was lots of driving. And then we ate pupusas at the end of the day. So that was really good. I didn't film that. So we just end up going to our family's home and enjoying that together. So tomorrow we're waking up really early. Last time we came, we scaled the Volcán Izalco. Now we're going to go up the one right next to it, Santa Ana. And it has a really beautiful like blue crater. So I'm so excited to do that tomorrow. But we have to wake up early. So good night. We're going to get ready for bed. Here we are, bright and early, rise and shine, give God the glory, glory. We're gonna go scale
Ilomatepec.
Ilomatepec, a volcano near Izalco, right?
I don't know where it is.
Okay, well, we're gonna find out. So, we're off to an adventure. Time to scale a volcano. To years ago, this was the volcano that we hiked. It's called Volcán Izalco. It's right over there. That was a challenge. The Bible says that the Lord is not impressed with the horses or the strength of a man's legs, but those who hope in his mercy. And I was hoping in his mercy as we climbed up the highest volcano in El Salvador, and by his grace we made it. Isn't that beautiful down there? How do you feel?
Refreshed.
Refreshed. Day 4 of our El Salvador trip, and I did a full makeup glam today. I did use the ColourPop 1111 palette for the eyeshadow look today, along with my Desio contacts. These are in Shameless Hazel. I am an affiliate with them, and I have an affiliate code, so if you want to use that, that is down below. And yes, let's go. Now, El Salvador is known for a nail. It's a blue dye, indigo. You may be familiar with it or not, but we're going to do that. So I'm so excited to get started with Mr. Sunshine on that. If you've never had Salvadorian breakfast, I would say you should try it because it's so good and it's so filling. If you're ever like gonna have a full day and you need a full meal for the day, try a Salvadorian breakfast. So good, so delicious.
Where's the guy?
We've made it to Tazumal, so we're here with the whole family right now. They're just getting our tickets ready so we can enter. We've made it to another archaeological park. So here we go, another one.
What do you think, Papa? What do you think, Papa? It's raining.
You think of the rain?
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Good day. So we started the day pretty late today, and it's just a restful day, and also kind of like getting ready to go to our next destination. So I'm doing a load of laundry. I'm also going to be packing. We're going to heat up some food. The family is off and about, and we're just here enjoying this time with some free-range chickens, as you may have seen. And yeah, so we're just gonna have more of a relaxing day, so not too much day, as we get ready to go to our next destination for baby Sunshine's first birthday party. These are not Desio, they are Otaku lenses. I'm using the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This is probably just like my favorite new foundation and contour with the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt shaping stick and the Westman Atelier contour stick. As I'm on vacation, this medium shade in the Makeup by Mario stick is so nice. I'll blend my nose contour as well. This is in the shade Hope. I just think they are so pretty and I like the color too, and I like how it works on cream. For concealer today, I'm using the It Cosmetics Do It All Concealer and the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I am like a new fan of It Cosmetics. Yeah, I'm a new fan of their complexion products. And I've heard about them for a long time, but I just never, I think the like branding, the look of it is not my favorite. Though it looks medicinal, for lack of a better comparison, I'm in love with their foundation and concealer that I've been using. For this, I like to brighten with it, and I'm going to add it. Wait, I'm going to get my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Fair. I heard Makeup by Mario does this technique. Now, with a puff, I like to set. But what I was doing was having trouble because, you know where you wear glasses? I was having a hard time getting makeup to stick to that area because I wear glasses, prescription glasses. That's why I experiment with contacts, because I need a prescription, so I wear contacts, so might as well. I like to do this technique that I learned that he does, Makeup by Mario, which is it's just a brush. This is the Nikki LaRose N14 brush, and I just take this here into the powder. Also, I get my puff ready. I start to blend in that area. I press that powder first, then press. This is a Tower 28 Samo Spritzer. Well, that's the shade Get Set Blush. This is the Kaleido Symphony Trio, and just enhance a little bit. So I brought this for this moment. Sculpt and extra baking. This makeup needs to last me all day in extreme humidity. I'm gonna use the ColourPop 1111 palette. Just add this to the brow bone. I'm going to pinch the brush, get into the same shade, the lash line, and then I'm gonna get into Perfect Harmony. And in the crease on the mobile lid area, I'm going to start adding the shade. Blending in swiper motion now. Major change. I'm gonna take this onto the mobile lid, and then top shade, I'm going to take that onto the inner part. I'm going to take a more pointed brush to get into this light color, and then go on the bottom a little bit. I'll go back into Perfect Harmony and kind of add this onto the lower lash line, kind of smoky. I'm going to add this to the outer edge on the lower lash line as well. Baby Sunshine just woke up, so today is the big day for his birthday party, and that's the main reason I'm getting ready. I'm putting a lot on the lower lashes because I'm going to be wearing falsies on the top. Overline the lower lip. It's literally called today, but 130 Iconic. Eyelashes and eyebrows will really make this look pop. A trick for putting on lashes is taking a mirror below the chin. And voila, we have a look. So this is the most glam I'm gonna get during this vacation.
Con ustedes. Tenemos apellido padre. Estamos en arte.
What a blessing it was to celebrate our son's birthday yesterday. It's pretty early, so I'm a little mellow, and we're just finishing up our trip here. We're gonna head to the airport, and we're just so grateful to spend time with our family in El Salvador, for them to meet our son, and we're grateful to the Lord for him. So that's it.